Hi! Do you make presentations as part of your profession? If yes, then what is your biggest challenge in making presentations? Here is what I found based on the feedback from conducting numerous workshops on presentation skills over the years, running a website dedicated to presentation skills for more than 12 years, and running a YouTube channel focused on presentation skills with more than 500,000 subscribers. The biggest challenge that professionals face today is to keep their audience engaged with their presentation content. That's because the audience today is not the same as the audience of the past. They have access to more information at their fingertips than any presenter can deliver with their presentations. They are more distracted than school children thanks to social media. So they have zero tolerance for long-winded explanations, wordy slides, and flowery speeches. They want clear, actionable information delivered concisely and quickly. So the skill a presenter needs today to win in a boardroom is to know what to include in a presentation and what to leave out based on a clear knowledge of what the audience needs. Once they pick the right points, they need to know how to structure that information in a lucid flow so they can keep the audience engaged throughout. They also need to know how to present that information visually so the audience remembers that information. Quite a challenge, right? Unfortunately, most of the presenters struggle to pick up those skills today. The books don't help them because most of the books on presentations are either written by designers to help high-flying CEOs and TED speakers to present their blue sky ideas, or they are written by university professors to help college students make better classroom presentations. There are not many practical books that help an executive, a trainer, a small business owner, or a technical presenter to make better boardroom presentations. The courses don't help them either, because most of the courses on presentation skills are mainly focused on how to use the presentation software better. Even the in-house presentation workshops conducted by companies don't help, because most of those workshops are about how to appear confident on stage by improving their body language and tone of voice. There is no practical course that teaches the real thinking skills required to make audience-focused presentations. There is no course that teaches them how to present their ideas visually to grab and hold the audience's attention while communicating their message with clarity. That is why we created this course called Ramgopal's 10-Step Presentation Blueprint. This is not one of those courses with superficial presentation advice or random tips compiled from the internet. This is a step-by-step blueprint that we follow to create presentations for clients across industries. You start with a vague topic and end with a professional presentation that has a clear flow, complete with visual slides and presenter notes. Every step is detailed with multiple examples, case studies, and exercises so you can understand and apply the concepts in your own presentations with confidence. We don't give those old generic prescriptions like do extensive brainstorming of ideas. We actually found that those traditional brainstorming methods are ineffective, especially when you are crunched for time. We recommend an approach that turns the concept on its head, and we call it reverse brainstorming. We don't just say create visual slides and leave the rest for you to figure out. We give a clear framework that allows you to pick the right visual tools to help you communicate your message with clarity and memorability. In every step, we hold you by hand and show you the how. You can see the complete course curriculum below this video. Each step in the blueprint is refined and fine-tuned over multiple iterations. Every suggestion is battle-tested with real-life presentation creation. It is the same blueprint that we use to create presentations, and it is the same blueprint that we teach in our workshops. The blueprint works because it is based on the proven principles of learner psychology. Once you try this approach, then you can't go back to your old way of creating presentations. This course is the one I wish I had when I started my career. It would have saved me hours of frustration and would have cut so much time in creating presentations. Oh, by the way, I'm Ramgopal, the co-founder of presentationprocess.com. This is Aarti, my partner in business and life. We are management graduates from a premier management institute called Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. We held senior positions in multinational companies before we started Metamorph Training Private Limited, a company that is dedicated to helping professionals create engaging presentations. Our courses and PowerPoint templates are used by many Fortune 500 companies. prestigious universities, and government organizations across 175 countries around the world. You can find more about us in the course preview below this video. So if you need a proven blueprint to create professional presentations quickly and effectively, please click on the link below and join the course. You get lifetime access to the course. If for any reason after going through the course you find that it has not lived up to your expectation, then ask for a full refund within 30 days of purchase and we will happily return your money without any questions. After all, we win only when you win. Realize that when the content of your presentation is strong, then your confidence on stage goes up. That confidence reflects in your body language and your audience responds to your presentation better. And that response boosts your confidence even further and the spiral continues. So invest in the course today and change the way you create your presentations forever. I'll see you inside the course.